weather, and beach. Welcome to FluentEase English. In this lesson, you'll learn 20 common English words about the weather and the beach. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and answer the questions. Let's begin. Weather fog. 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 Fog is thick air that is hard to see through. There is fog on the road today. What is on the road today? Fog. Thunder. 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 Thunder is a loud sound in a storm. I hear thunder at night. What do I hear at night? Thunder. Lightning. 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 Lightning is a bright flash in the sky. We see lightning during the storm. What do we see during the storm? Lightning. Rainbow. 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 A rainbow has many colors. A rainbow appears after the rain. What appears after the rain? A rainbow. Hail. 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 Hail is small balls of ice. Hail falls from the sky. What falls from the sky? Hail, stormy, stormy. Stormy. Stormy means having strong wind and rain. Today is stormy. How is the weather today? Stormy. Dry, dry, dry. Dry means not wet. The air is dry in winter. How is the air in winter? Dry, wet, wet, wet. Wet means covered with water. My shoes are wet. What is wet? Your shoes. Temperature. 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 Temperature tells how hot or cold it is. The temperature is high today. What is high today? The temperature. Season, season, season. A season is part of the year. Summer is my favorite season. What is my favorite season? ʻlaɪt.nɪŋ. Summer. Beach, beach. Beach, beach. A beach is next to the sea. We relax on the beach. Where do we relax? On the beach. Sand, sand, sand. Sand is soft and light. Children play with sand. What do children play with? Sand. Wave, wave, wave. A wave moves on the sea. Big waves hit the shore. What hits the shore? Big waves. Shell, shell, shell. A shell comes from the sea. She finds a shell on the beach. What does she find on the beach? A shell. Sun, sun, sun. The sun gives light and heat. The sun is bright today. How is the sun today? Bright, sea, sea, sea. The sea is wide and blue. We swim in the sea. Where do we swim? In the sea, surf, surf, surf. To surf means to ride waves. They surf in the morning. When do they surf? In the morning. Swim, swim, swim. To swim means to move in water. I swim in the sea. What do I do in the sea? Swim, boat, boat, boat. A boat moves on water. The boat is near the island. Where is the boat? Near the island. Island, island, island. An island is land in the sea. They visit a small island. What do they visit? A small island. Excellent job! You learned 20 common English words about the weather and the beach. Listen again, repeat many times, and speak naturally. Subscribe to FluentEase English for more fun lessons. See you in the next video.